Sixth main, third question. Here given 4 points. Now, first point A is equal to 4, 5, B is equal to 7, 6, C is equal to 4, 3, D is equal to 1, 2. Now, before going to this question, we should know that what are the properties of a parallelogram. In parallelogram, we know that opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Here AB is parallel to CD as well as AB is equal to CD. Then AC is equal to BD as well as AC is parallel to BD. You know that in a parallelogram, diagonals are unequal. Diagonals are unequal. Okay, this you keep in your mind. Now we should find the distance between A and B. You know that distance formula, D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Minus y1 whole square. Now first we will find the distance between A and B. A, B, x1, here we take y1, this one is x2, y2. Okay. Now here x2 minus x1 AB is equal to x2 minus x1 7 minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 5 whole square. Then this is equal to 7 minus 4 is 3 plus 6 minus 5 1. Here 3 square, then this is 1 square. Then this is equal to square root of 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Square root of 10. Next, we will take BD, or you can take AB, then BC, CD, any way you can take. Now here I will take AB over, then I will take BC. Okay, already here I wrote x2 and y2. This point, now I will take x1 and y1. x1, y1. Now BC, BC, the distance between B and C. x2 minus x1, 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 whole square. Then this is equal to 7 minus 4, 3, 3 square plus 6 minus 3, 3, 3 square. Then this is equal to 3 square is 9. Again here 3 square is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Square root of 18. Okay. Now similarly we can find the distance between CD. Here x1, y1 is there. This D point we will take here x2, y2. x2, y2. CD is equal to x2 minus x1, 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. Then this is equal to 1 minus 4 is 3 minus 3 minus 3 whole square minus 3 whole square, then plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square. Then this is equal to minus 3 whole square is 9. 1 minus 1 whole square is 1. 9 plus 1 it becomes 10. Okay. Now we will find the distance between A and D. Now here already I took x2 and y2. Then This point will take x1, y1. dA. dA. Here x2 minus x1. So 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 2 minus 5 whole square. Then this is equal to 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. Then plus 2 minus 5, that is equal to minus 3 whole square. This is equal to minus 3 whole square is plus 9. Here also minus 3 whole square plus 9. 9 plus 9 is, that is 18. Square root of 18. Okay. Now here AB we got root 10. Okay. Then CD we got root 10. AB and CD, these two are equal according to this problem. Okay. Then BC is equal to BC, AB, this point will take C and this point will take a D. BC that is root 18 and DA that is root 18. Okay. Now these two we got equal. That means here opposite sides we got equal. Now we have to check it. Diagonals are equal or not. Diagonals AC we should find, then BD we should find. Okay. Now these AC, A and C. Here x1, y1 is there. So this point will take x2, y2. x2, y2. Okay. x2 minus x1. 4 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square is equal to, here 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 square, that will get 0 only. 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 whole square. Then this is equal to minus 2 whole square is root 4. Then this is equal to 2 units. Okay. Square root of 4 answer is 2. Okay, 2 units. Now AC we got 2. Then we find BD, B and D. So this point will take x1, y1. This will repeat. Here x2, y2. BD is equal to x2 minus x1. 1 minus 7 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square. Then 1 minus 7 is minus 6 whole square. Then 2 minus 6, that is minus 4 whole square. This is equal to minus 6 whole square is 6 6 are 36 plus minus 4 whole square. Okay, minus 4 whole square is 16. So add these two. 6 plus 6, 12. 2 here carry 1. So 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. That means square root of 52 units. So here diagonals are unequal. When diagonals are unequal, so this is a parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal. Here AB is equal to CD we got root 10 root 10. There AD is equal to we got BC root 18 root 18. Okay. Then when opposite sides are equal, then we will find diagonals. Diagonals here unequal. 2 and root 52. So diagonals are unequal. So this is a parallelogram, special quadrilateral. So it is a parallelogram.